In my last video, I showed you a quick walkthrough of TryScribe's Clean UI. It's a clean dashboard with tools, history, analytics, settings, and a billing section with a 100 free credit remaining. But now, let's actually dive into the tools that makes it powerful. Today, we are checking out the PDF chat feature. This is one of the most loved feature by the people. Let's try it out by uploading a PDF. Here, I'm going to add a maths question paper where we have bunch of options here. You can switch between the pages using these arrows. We have got 50 questions. You can zoom in or zoom out through these PDFs. Even if you want to rotate it, you can do that as well. If you want to full screen, you can see it in full screen as well. Now let's ask some questions and get your answers instantly. So I'll ask here, I've typed in the question of 8 answer. So it is suggesting the option B. Let's see what is the question 8. It is showing the biggest 4-digit number, which is a perfect square, and it is correct. Now, if I ask something like this, it is also suggesting me, please provide the new question and its option. Let me try asking it to suggest a new question. Now you can see here, we have got the 50 questions and it answers. Now, instead of reading the whole long document, you can just upload PDF here and let AI handle the rest. It is perfect for students, researchers, or any busy professionals. This is just one tool inside TryScribe, designed to actually save you hours of work. That's it for today's demo. If you want to try it out, these tools, head over to the tryscribe.in and you get a free 100 credits when you sign up. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll showing you more tools from the TryScribe in the next upcoming videos.